Hey everyone, welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing, and welcome to our update installment of our comparison between CarPro Pearl and Optimum's Opti-Bond tire gel. And if you haven't seen that video, you can check it out right up here. And if you remember, we applied Pearl to the driver's side of the vehicle and Optimum to the passenger side. And we didn't just do the tires this time, but we also did the plastic trim around the entire vehicle. We did leave a little control section in the rear of the vehicle just to see any fading that much clearer, if there is any, after 2+ weeks. Now, the original plan was to come back after 2 weeks to see how these dressings have held up. However, at the 2-week mark this past week, I felt that they were still holding up really well, so I wanted to give them a little extra time. It's actually been about 2 weeks and 4 days. We filmed the application video 2 Sundays ago, and it's Thursday today, so it's been 2 solid weeks plus 4 days. And I really think both dressings have held up well. Let's see how they turned out, both on the tires and on the plastic. So here we have CarPro Pearl on the tire. This is the front driver's side tire. It still looks pretty good. Definitely not as beautiful as the day it was applied, but that's to be expected. Now the rear driver's side tire. You can see how dirty the wheels are after only 2.5 weeks or so. And now let's see how the plastics have held up. They look good. We've got a little bit of fading here towards the top edge, but that edge of the trim faces the most abuse while driving, so that's to be expected. Toward the back of the wheel arch looks good. Also along the rocker panel still looks pretty good. Also the rear wheel arch trim looks good still. The rear bumper trim, you can see some weather marks from water dripping down the vehicle. Now let's move to the passenger side and see how well the Optimum Opti-Bond held up. Okay, so here's the front tire on the passenger side. It looks very similar to the Pearl. Honestly, if I didn't know there was 2 different products on this car, I probably wouldn't know that there are 2 different products on this car. There's a very subtle sheen still left. The tire still looks pretty good after 2.5 weeks. Now let's move to the rear passenger side. The same with the front, really. A subtle sheen, just like the front, and to be honest, very similar to the CarPro on the other side. Okay, now let's check out our black plastic trim with the Opti-Bond on our passenger side. And it looks good. Still got a nice little sheen to it. You see our rocker panel. Again, some weather marks from water dripping down, but with a water-based dressing, that's hard to avoid. Now once again, on the passenger side, here's the front edge of the wheel arch trim and the rear bumper trim on the passenger side with Optimum. Now here's our true test. Here we have our control section in the middle of the rear bumper, where we left the control section between the Pearl on the left and the Opti-Bond on the right. You can see both of them still look very good, minus the weathering marks, or the water marks that drip down the bumper. But you can see the original condition of the plastic in the middle, and it's still a big difference between the original plastic and the dressed plastic on either side. So after 2+ weeks, actually more than 2.5 weeks, I think both these tire dressings and trim dressings still held up very well, and I really have to put them about dead even as far as longevity. Okay, so the fact that both these dressings really held up really well over the last 2+ weeks, they're pretty much dead even in longevity. really brings us down to the ease of application and the cost of each product. I do think the Pearl was a little bit easier to apply. The Opti-Bond had a little bit of a sticky texture to it. It took a little bit more effort to apply, while the Pearl spread a little smoother. So I have to give Pearl the edge on the application. And then there's the price, or the cost of each product, which there's a big difference there. Pearl is going to set you back anywhere from around $25, $26, and I've seen it all the way up to as high as $31, $32 for the 33-ounce size. And the Opti-Bond from Optimum's equivalent at the 32-ounce size is going for around $17, $18 right now. So if you don't mind just a hair more effort in the application process as far as longevity and price goes, I'd have to definitely recommend the Opti-Bond from Optimum over the Pearl, which it pains me to say that a little bit because for a long time CarPro Pearl has been my absolute favorite tire and trim dressing, but you can't argue with the results and you definitely can't argue with the price. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video comparison helpful for you, especially if you're considering purchasing either CarPro Pearl or Optimum's Opti-Bond tire gel. We put a lot of effort into videos like these to help you make a more informed decision. So if you enjoyed this content and you did find it useful, please don't hesitate to give us a like right down below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you won't miss any future auto detailing content. So as always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.